Yo, this feels like a movie.
You did good today. Really good. You might not see it. You might think it was just another day, but it wasn't. Every step you took today was a step forward, no matter how small. You faced challenges, you overcame obstacles, and you kept moving. Remember, every effort counts. Every bit of progress matters. You're building a better tomorrow with every action you take today. The struggles you faced, they're just stepping stones leading you to greater heights. You're stronger than you realize, more capable than you give yourself credit for. Be proud of yourself. You're doing the work, making things happen. Your journey is unique, and every twist and turn is shaping you into the incredible person you are meant to be. Sleep well, knowing that you are on the right path. Make today as beautiful as you can. Let no one take away your happiness. Smile and laugh at the negativity. You're good.
Let me show you what it means to be human. Just stop for a minute. Let me show you what it means to be human, to be wanted, to be vulnerable. Let me show you what it means to be human, to be helpless and emotional. Let me show you what it means to be human. Whatever you wanna do with me. Let me show you what it means to be human, to be wanted, to be vulnerable. Let me show you what it means to be human, to be helpless and emotional. Let me show you what it means to be human. Whatever you wanna do with me. Let me show you what it means to be human. Just stop for a minute.
Don't listen to anyone. Everybody's full of shit. Nobody knows you or what you're capable of doing. And here's the reality. The hardest thing in life is figuring out who you are and what you want to do for the rest of your life. It's a big decision. And once you figure that out, you wake up every day and you work toward it. That's what you do. It's impossible for you to fail if you know who you are, what you want to do, and you wake up every day and work toward it.